welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto categorize with custom rules in Monarch Money. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to auto categorize with custom rules in Monarch Money, you can simply go and tap open your Monarch Money. So once you open your Monarch Money application or website, you can simply get logged into it. Once you are logged in, you need to now simply navigate to the rules section. Go to settings and simply tap on category rules or automations and tap on create a new rule. Once you have tapped on create a new rule as well, from the transactions page, you can simply find the option. So this is a very quick method, and you can also have a detailed method from the rule management section as well. So once you have done this, you can simply define your conditions like merchant original statement, your multiple conditions, or like account specificity, or your amount as well. So you can assign some actions and apply to past transactions. When saving a new rule, you will typically have the option to apply it to all the existing matching transactions, helping to quickly clean up historical data. Now you can also have an order of rule according to your choice, and you're all done. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.